As you can see, I've added the douche connector onto my new switch with heat shrink butt connectors. I'm going to let them cool off before I slide the heat shrink tubing over that and heat shrink that on top for added water protection. And we'll be ready to go. Now for good measure, as you can see, I've added the heat shrink tubing over top of the heat shrink butt connectors, and then put 2 zip ties on there to make it a little bit neater and tight, and cut trim so it doesn't cut you when you reach into the dash to get it. We're ready to plug it back into the boat now. And there we have it. Everything's back in. Get it straight up. Tighten the nut. After you just, I used my original nuts that I had on the other switch to put back in place. And I've already bump tested it, so it does work. So, good to go.